students, in today's session we are going to learn how to solve the equation. So, chapter number 4, simple equation for class 7th. Let us understand how to find the solution of an equation. As we know that the value of variable which satisfy the equation is called the solution of equation. So, let us understand this by an example. Some laddus are there in the plate and one boy, Bhim, comes there and he eats some laddus. When his aunt comes there and observe the plate, so now she finds that the plate which was full of laddus, now there is not that much quantity of the laddu which she prepared. So she says, I made lots of laddus and in the plate they are very less now. So who ate the laddus? So Bhim says, I ate laddus. Sorry auntie, but I ate only few laddus. Now the aunt says, by counting the laddus, there is 247 laddus in the plate now. But I am remembering the quantity which now at the present in the plate is very less according to the full plate. That means in the plate was full of laddus, but now it has some laddus are missing. So, how can I find that how many laddus I prepared? So, for the solution of this problem, Bhim says, I will help you to find out how many laddus you prepared, auntie. Then, girl, Chutki, comes there. She is the friend of Bhim and daughter of the auntie. She also states something that in the plate number of laddus are 6 less than number of laddus prepared in the beginning. So she gives a clue to the Bhim that number of laddus in the plate are 6 less than number of laddus at the beginning. So by this clue, Bhim try to solve this as we have to find out number of laddus at the beginning in the plate. So this is the unknown quantity. We don't know how much laddu was there in the plate. So let that is the unknown quantity is y. So number of laddus y in the beginning. What the Chutki is saying, remaining laddus are 6 less than total laddus. So the meaning of this is previously it was y laddus and 6 less, that means minus 6 laddus are now present. That means remaining laddus at present in the plate is y minus 6. By counting, auntie says the number of laddus is 247 and according to the Chutki it is y minus 6. So both these 247 and y minus 6 representing the remaining number of laddus. That means both are same. So we can write it as y minus 6 is equals to 247. Now y minus 6 is equals to 247 is the equation. By solving this, we can find how many laddus was prepared by auntie. So now the problem is there, how to solve the equation. The Bhim's reply, add 6 to both sides. Chutki says, how you can say that we have to add 6 to both sides? So Bhim replied that if we have the equation y minus 6 is equals to 247, so that means the equal to sign, this side is y minus 6 is the left hand side and 247 is the right hand side. So the variable present the unknown quantity is in the left hand side. So we have to find out the unknown quantity only. But in the left hand side there is minus 6 also present with the variable y. So we have to remove this 6 by adding, as we know that 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. That means this is the minus 6 here. So we add 6 in left hand side as well as in the right hand side. Again the auntie says, why you are doing this in both the sides? So Bhim says y minus 6 is equals to 247. So this is the equations. This is the equation. If we are adding 6 in the left hand side, so by adding 6 in the left hand side, the addition y minus 6 plus 6 is not equal to 247 till we will add 6 in the right hand side also. So by making the equation, as this is the equation, so whatever we are performing in the left hand side, same we have to perform in the right hand side also. If we are adding 6 to the left hand side, so it should be add in the right hand side also. If we divide in the left hand side by a quantity, same quantity we have to divide by the right hand side also. So whatever operation performed, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in the left hand side, that same operation with the same number we have to apply in the right hand side also. So that's why we have to add 6 to both the sides. So we get y minus 6 plus 6 is equals to 247 plus 6. So this is again an equation which is the previous one, y minus 6 is equals to 247. Now here this minus 6 and plus 6 becomes 0. So in the next step we get y is equals to 247 plus 6. Now addition of this is 253. So we can say y is equals to 253. Now this is the number of laddus prepared by auntie in the beginning. So number of laddus prepared by aunt in the beginning is 253. From here, when we have the value of 253, so by putting the value 253 in the left hand side, we get 253 minus 6 is equals to 247. That means the value of variable satisfies the equation. So 253 when we put in the left hand side, we get the right hand side 247. So y is 253 is called the solution of equation. So in this way we can solve the equations. So let us revise. The solution of equation is the value of variable which satisfies the equation is the solution of equation. Here in the example, y minus 6 is equals to 247. This is the equation. And the value y is equals to 253 is the solution of equation. Why we are so calling this is the solution? As we put the 253 in the left hand side, y minus 6, we get the right hand side. That means by putting the value of y 253, we get the left hand side is equals to right hand side. So here the value of variable which put in the equation makes left hand side and right hand sides are equal is the solution of equation.